Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and we are back with another video for yeah, head top. Today I am at the Nike outlet. You see it behind me, boy. That's on dog. Boy, that's on dog. Listen, I am with the homie Paul right now, you know what I'm saying? He got his camera. Hold up. Bro, look, I'm used to being the guy with the huge camera. It can't be both of us in here with a huge camera, because I'm gonna tell you why. Nike outlets like to kick people out, especially me. I have been kicked out of more outlets and malls than anybody alive. With that being said, you have to be smooth, man. You gotta be a vet, you feel me? Can't be walking around like you're shy. You gotta know what you're doing in here, man. I don't want nobody kicking you out or kicking us out because you can't hold it down. We got some type of plane over us right now.
Looking for me, I'm out.
Hey, no, man, it's probably, you know what I'm saying, the plane I caught, the charter it in.
Oh.
The one to take us back to the crib? Yeah, it's that one.
So you paying for my car to get your shit back?
Oh, yeah, don't worry about it.
Say less.
It's on me. Anyways, guys, look, I had just went to an outlet recently in Orlando, and I saw some stuff, but I didn't see nothing worth copying. I wasn't going to do anything today. My boy Paul hit me up and told me he was coming to the outlet, and I was like, look, I'm not doing nothing. I ain't doing nothing. I was watching Snakes on the Plane, Boondocks, eating cereal, having a day. I'm telling y'all, my favorite days in life are days I can just sit in my bed and do absolutely nothing, because I get like one a year. Also, let me do a wave check real quick, man. Wave check, Snipe in the building. You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of y'all been trying to ask me what the waves is looking like, what the vibes is looking like. Now y'all know. Hopefully, man, Paul, you don't get us kicked out. We gotta be smooth. We gotta be on our P's and Q's, man. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be a vet. All right? I can't help you in here. It's every man for themselves. I'm out. Oh, as soon as I walk in, man, I'm feeling the vibe right now. I'm feeling the vibe because I've been like in this little running shoe stage, okay? So when it comes down to like running shoes like these, right? Or even running shoes like these, I'm not even sure what this shoe is called. It's called the Nike Air Max 2 Light. So I'm guessing it's supposed to be a light sneaker. Don't really feel like to me, especially like with this huge air unit. But I'm just becoming a bigger fan of like casual shoes and stuff like that. That's really what I'm starting to look at a lot more. Oh, Paul, they got your joints, bro. They got your joints. These got your name.
That's them Nurse Lab 3s right there.
Bro, these got your names all on it.
All on it for your Christmas gift, bro.
Nah. This is your style, right?
I'm showing now.
Let me tell you something. He's one of these guys that's like swag guy, but he tells me how he can pull off anything. If you can really pull off anything, I want to see you pull off some Monarchs, bro. That's the challenge.
You know what? Just for you, I'll cop a pair and make a video, and I'll show you how we can do this, bro.
If he can pull those off, bro, you pull those off, bro, I'll buy you a pair of Bread 11s. You pull it off.
You can't buy me the Bread 11s because I already got them on the shop, though, B.
Oh yeah, early. Yeah. Well, just do it because you want to do it then. Oh, these joints are the Air Max More Up Tempo. I don't know if y'all remember this from the video that me and Ball on the Budget did, but he actually had the nerve to pick up these joints and tell me he was gonna give me buckets in these shoes. Now listen, guys. All right, I'm not Kobe. I'm better. All right, but that's not the point. You cannot. I repeat, you cannot give me buckets in these. It's certain things that happen. It's like pride. It's pride. It's way too much pride for me to allow somebody to give me buckets in a pair of these huge. Look at the Air Max bubble. When I look, this is not a shot. I like the more up tempos. You know what I'm saying? I will rock these casually. Well, not this color or shoe in particular, but the ones with the up tempo on the side, I will wear those casually. But before somebody give me buckets in those ant stumpers, bro, I'm hacking. I'm straight filing, bro. Old school Pistons, 90s basketball. I'm straight hacking before that happened. Look, while all y'all was worried about them Travis Scott Air Force Ones, y'all slept on these. You know what I'm saying? See, look, I'm trying to put y'all on. Y'all too busy worried about the Cactus Jack joints when these is right here for the taking. Only for the $79.97. Now look, shout out my boy Big Hollow. If Big Hollow was there, these will already be in the bag. Y'all boys worried about the Cactus Jack. It's more heat than that. Comment down below if those are more heat than them Cactus Jack Air Force Ones, because I ain't gonna hold you. Them joints was trash. You know what I'm saying? It was trash. Now, if it's one thing I learned from doing outlet vlogs with Mike or any other big outlet vloggers like Ball on the Budget, is most and majority of the good stuff is always on the outer wall. What do we have here?
I got you. My foam look.
Do y'all remember these foams I picked up 2 weeks ago? These are the reason why I made a video asking our foam posits dead. Let me get this. This has to be the ugliest foam posit I think I've ever seen in recent time. But I'm glad you're here, bro. Since everybody was worried about them Cactus Jack Air Force Ones that you luckily hit on.
Hey.
Y'all slept on these. You know what I'm saying? This is where it's at.
Bruh. I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm not an Air Force One lover. I like the Cactus Jacks. But these right here, these is washed, my guy. A1 trash.
So I'm seeing like 3,429 pair of the New York Knicks flight posit. All right, now look, I know y'all from New York. Y'all happy that your boy Melo back, but at the end of the day, Flight Posits have never been one of my favorite shoes, and this colorway just don't even make it look any better. Okay, I think it's like 50 pair of these on this back wall alone. You ever hooped in the Flight Posit before?
No, I have not. And you gonna come off New York. Like, we ain't talking about Cleveland right now.
This dude say he's from New York because he moved down here when he was 3 months.
Yo,
you from Atlanta now? Bro, what size is that, bro?
Yo, it's a whole 18.
18?
It's like the size of flight hand.
Let me see this, bro. Size 18 shoe. Now, I wonder why this boy is up here. Flight put me on to something though. For all my Bigfoot people, if you run into a shoe that's this big, you get like an added discount for your shoe size being big. It's like some type of disadvantage. You just gotta tell them, because if you don't tell them, they're not gonna give it to you. But if your shoe this big, I can't even fit this whole thing in the camera. You can get extra money off your shoes, man. All right, look, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. I'm a huge fan of outlets, but you have to call before you come up here. You try to be like me.
My man's. You don't believe what they got up here. They had the Witherspoons in one.
Bro, they ain't got no Witherspoons, bro.
No. Listen. They got the Cactus Jacks. Nah, for real, look. I'm serious.
This man.
Pink laces and all, B.
Bro.
Yo.
Bro. Bro, if they Arnold. I'm saying, bro, if they on sale and just happen to be off your feet and they already laced.
With the pink laces at that.
With the pink bro, what would y'all do, bro? What would y'all do if y'all walked through and y'all actually seen a pair of Cactus Jack 1s? Bro, do you know how fast somebody would grab every box on here, bro? They would grab every box.
Like my boy said, anybody touch any box of it
for $79.
they getting the beats.
If I came in here, bro, and it was Cactus Jack Air Jordan 1s for $79, bro, take all my money, bro. That's over with. I'm buying every pair. You call me a reseller, then I don't care if y'all call me a reseller after that. If I walk in this boy and y'all telling me y'all got Air Jordan 1 Cactus Jacks for $79, you dang right I'm buying 45 pair. I'm buying all these joints, the whole 9. Look, one thing though, I gotta show love to VC, man. VC still hooping in these joints, man. I don't know how. These shocks, the shocks is so old school. Comment down below right now if you was around during the time when VC first started hooping in the shocks, and it's the Cactus Jack 1s.
You missed on yours.
The Cactus Jacks.
Let
me see it, bro.
You can get them.
They kind of favor.
They look, got the snap in the back and everything. You got the corduroy. Hey, hold on, man. Hold on. Let me.
This is how you know he a true hype beast, because he went for the Cactus Jack Air Force 1s, but he ain't gonna buy these. He got a W too. But you ain't gonna try to get these though.
Nah, man.
For that low 9 price of 94 of them things.
The fact that they was retailed at 130, as you would say, wash.
But it's a steal though. It's a steal.
It's not. I'm not gonna hold you. Like,
I don't know. I know a lot of y'all gonna be mad for that thumbnail though. They gonna be mad for that. Cause I'm definitely making that my thumbnail. But hey man, if y'all know who I am, man, y'all know I joke around a lot, bro. I play a lot. I didn't expect this dude to take off his shoe. That was hilarious. Hey bro, would you hooping these? Nah. Yeah, these are heavy. I don't know if it's heavy because the metal spring in here or these are just heavy. What are these joints? These are the these the Flight Posit 2. Heavy, man. I wouldn't play in them. Not me. Ain't my style. You gotta know this, okay? Never, ever. And for all my guys who watching right now, matter of fact, please hold the camera for me, bro. I'm gonna flip this back for you, bro. Cause they gotta understand this, okay? Is it on me?
It's on me.
Guys, listen, okay? When your girlfriend says she wants some shoes, please do not buy her a pair of Huaraches, okay? These are thought shoes, bro. Every thought you know has a pair of these shoes. And there's no disrespect to women that have these shoes. Just don't buy no more. All right, these are am I lying?
Bro, but then the Valentine's Day kids.
It don't matter, bro. It don't matter, bro. These are thought shoes. And if you a guy wearing these shoes, and you're a male thought, you know what I'm saying? That's the only thing going on.
I seen 2 pair in your closet, though.
Air Max 720. I've heard a lot about this shoe. I've never tried it on. I've never worn it. Everybody tells me that this shoe is super comfortable, as well as the Air Max 270. So these are 2 shoes. One is up here for $89 and the other one is $99. It's supposed to be very, very comfortable. I've never tried them on. It's not really my style. I'm not really big fans of like the air unit, you know what I'm saying? Especially this huge air unit on the bottom of the shoe. Just the whole bottom sole of the shoe, just one big air unit. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? But I value y'all opinion. So if y'all like the Air Max 270 or the Air Max 720, I need you to comment down below. And like, I don't know, just trying to help me get to that shot, bro. Cause I ain't gonna hold you. Without y'all telling me to go for it, I ain't gonna go for it. I need y'all to let me know what's good. Listen. If y'all ain't never listened to me before, listen to me now. That was the worst selection of shoes I've ever been in an outlet. They had one retro, and that one retro was that 11 low.
Tragic.
I showed y'all, in a size 98. That was the only retro sneaker they had, bro. Other than that, they had a bunch of fleece tech runners, some 280s, 270s, 720s.
Some flight posits.
Some flight posits.
Had a million of them.
You know what I'm saying? They had like 3 million flight posits, bro. It was just all bad, man. So this is why I say, if you like going to outlets, Nike outlets or something like that, call people before you show up. You know what I'm saying? Because you might just walk into what we just walked into.
You're gonna be looking like us.
And I don't want you to go through that frustration, that pain. You know what I'm saying? That's about it, though. Video's still not over, though, man. We still got some stuff to get into. So just sit back, sit tight, relax, and we're gonna get into it. Yeah. Boom. Okay, we are over here at IHOP with this man's. Yo, my man's. What are you doing right now?
Relax. I'm talking to your stepmom.
Okay, so check this out. Why did you want to come to IHOP today?
Because I wanted some pancakes. Remember last time we went to Waffle House and we ain't get no waffles.
But listen, bro, it's like almost 8 o'clock. You want some waffles? I mean, you want some pancakes right now. So this is what I'm saying, right?
God,
in the comments, I want y'all to tell me whose man's is this, okay? Because you know what I mean. Your boy, I wanted some baked wings from Shane's Rib Shack. My man's is over here insisting on IHOP. So IHOP it is. She did drive. He drove at the end of the day. I can't really argue too much. Alright, well, I'm over here looking at the menu. I ain't gonna hold you. I cannot help but to see you can build your own omelet. I ain't gonna cap. I'm an omelet dude, man. Last time when I was out there in Chicago, I tried to eat an omelet with breaking them. The omelet was the size of my back. Alright, so as long as they ain't them huge omelets over there, then them straight. So I'm probably build an omelet. What you gonna get, bro?
Man, I'm get some pancakes.
Pancakes?
Yeah.
What else?
Don't worry about all that.
Man about to get a tall stack of pancakes and no sides.
I might get an omelet that look like.
I forgot how IHOP pancakes even taste though.
There you go. I'll get you another punch.
Ooh, that bad boy hot. That boy.
What else you want?
I get the orange this time. Appreciate it.
Oh, this look low key good.
I ain't gonna hold you, but that thing look like the back of breakneck.
What you got over there?
You know what I'm saying? A couple pancakes, little eggs, little hash brown, bacon and sausage, nothing major, man. Something my grandmama cooked up.
Hey, look, I'm an omelet dude. This omelet definitely look A1. Look busting. I ain't gonna hold you. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna tend to this. And then get back with y'all a little bit later because I'm starving. This is the first meal of the day. This look good. All right, everybody, what is up, man? We are back at the house, finally back from the outlet mall. Now, before I conclude the video, I have to give a huge shout out because something was given to me. Shout out to the homie. He told me to check out my P.O. box. And when I did, I got something that I definitely did not expect. Shout out to EJG24, bro, if you're watching. I told you I'm shouting you out. You sent it today, I got it today, and I did not, like I said earlier, I didn't expect to do a video. So this is kind of like a spare of the moment thing. But sent over this hoodie from Finish Line. And it go right with the Blue to Grace. And he said, you know what I'm saying? He said he got him one and he got me one as well. And that's just crazy, man, because like, the fact that, you know, you went out your way and you got me this dope Jordan hoodie and it goes right with the Blue to Grace. If I can grab them, hold on, let me grab the Blue to Grace real quick. Like I said, they go right with the Blue to Grace. And I really appreciate it because you went out of your way to do this, bro. Like, you didn't have to do that. That's love, man. It really is. So here you have the Air Jordan 1 mid Blue to Gray. And this hoodie goes exactly with it. The prime colors that the artist Blue to Great wanted to express on the sneaker is here. You know what I'm saying? So I could not finish this video without shouting out EJG for sending over this dope hoodie. I really appreciate it. Like I told you guys, man, I know I put like my P.O. box at the end of every video or at the bottom in the description of every video, but I'd be lying if I sit here and say I expect stuff from y'all. So, you know, just for y'all to do that is crazy. Much love to you, bro, and thank you once again. But yes, man, that concludes the video, man. Y'all already know we still grinding, trying to hit 100K for the end of the year. We got 2 months left. I don't care, all right? I'm screaming that to the last day of December. I don't care, man. We gotta run these numbers up, man. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. Also, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this out there. I'm not sure if they have already yet, but me, Unbreakable, and Flight Academy Kicks are doing a Bread 11 giveaway. Now, we do not have all of the info that we need, so maybe I shouldn't be saying this, but it's definitely going down. Stay tuned. Maybe my next video will have all the information you need. So if you want to be interested, we're giving away 2 pair of Bread 11s. which in my opinion is the biggest sneaker of the year, especially when it comes down to a Jordan. The biggest Jordan of the year is definitely the Bread 11 from a historic standpoint. Y'all see I still got my OG pair up there, or you probably can't see it, but it's definitely a pair that you want to have. And if you're already planning on having a pair, why not just try for 2? I'm pretty sure like the rules are gonna be super simple, but we haven't went over them yet, so I'm not gonna go too much on it because they might change. But once again, just stay tuned because we are gonna be talking about that very, very soon, because I believe they drop like December 14th. That's pretty much it, man. Y'all already know I appreciate y'all for watching. And until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but really put in that work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.